there are a number of factors that go into how long it takes to re-side a home. One is the size of the home. That's probably the biggest factor. Smaller homes, obviously, there's less setup, less square footage. The surrounding landscaping and of the property can have a factor as well. If there's a lot of setup that's needed to maneuver around the job site, that can add some time. The type of siding that's on the home right now. Stucco takes a long time to take off. We have to cut it into squares and pull it off and carry it off, so that takes a lot longer to take off than say aluminum or vinyl siding. Vinyl siding, you can usually just grab the bottom piece and almost pull on it and almost the whole wall comes off. And so what type of siding is on there has a big impact on it. Another impact is time of year. Summer, obviously, there's more daylight hours. In the winter, there's not as many hours that you're going to be able to actually be working on the site. And so there are a number of factors that go into it, but I would say our average project takes between 2 to 3 weeks to pull off the old siding and put the new siding on. And that's hard construction. That's people banging on your walls and doing that. On the front end and the back end, there can be some prep work and some finish work, but as far as the siding crew on your house, re-siding your home, the average is about 2 to 3 weeks.